Welcome to the DIY Challenge hosted by Domestic Diva. Alright everyone, in today's DIY Challenge, Sonia wanted us to create one or more DIY of our choice. You could use any colors, any type of theme. She pretty much gave us complete free creativity to do whatever we want. All items used in this video will be linked in my description box. Let me tell you a little bit about our host, Domestic Diva. Her name is Sonia. She has a home organization, lifestyle, cooking, and family channel where she does DIYs, and her DIYs are real nice, you all. And I love how creative she is. She has a great channel and she has very good content. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to her channel. Show Sonia lots of love and let her know that Uneatly Tay sent you. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I am Uneatly Tay. I have a home decor, DIY, shopping, lifestyle, and I also do tablescapes on my channel and much more. Thank you so much for stopping in and watching my video and showing love and support to my channel. If you are interested in the beautiful creations that I create, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and become a part of my family. Okay, let me share with all of you why I was inspired to create this particular DIY. On my channel right now, I am currently doing a summer vibe series where I am creating all summer themed DIYs once a week. So pretty much my theme for this year, or not for this year, but for this summer, is watermelons. I love watermelons and I have been creating different DIYs and doing different videos that's summer based on my channel for my summer vibes series. So I am going to link my summer vibes series in my description box, the playlist, so that you all can check it out and get into the summer mood. Let me tell you, everyone, this is by far the cutest DIY. I love this summer DIY. It is fast, it is quick, it is very inexpensive. All the products for this particular DIY came from the Dollar Tree, and it looks very high-end. I really love how everything is so summery, but I add a little glam, a little bling to the bows. I loved how it turned out. So beautiful. I decided to style the pails with some floral decor, some pretty festive flowers. You can style your pails however you like. You can put greenery in it if you like, if you don't want the flowers, but this is so cute and it was so fun doing it. There is a twist to this DIY, everyone. I love how it is so versatile, where you can remove the watermelons and you can replace the watermelons with a different decor. I added magnets to the back so that you can pretty much switch it out how you feel. Next year, I may not want to do watermelons. So if I wanted to do pineapples, whatever, I can reuse the same pails for whatever season or whatever I want. So I love the fact that I can intertwine different decors with one set of pails, and it's just so cute and convenient, everyone. Please check out the playlist, everyone. There are a lot of creative and talented ladies that hopped on this DIY challenge. Make sure you check out that playlist and show love. Domestic Diva, thank you for the open invite, and her link to her channel will be in my description box.